Hello and welcome to Learn Code Read. Today I will start with lesson 5 of the Pre-Reader Express course. In this lesson, I am going to harvest corn and introduce a new block. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. If you have missed previous videos of this series, click on the link above. Before starting the lesson, don't forget to log in. I will start with puzzle 2. Section 1 is a video about this particular lesson. You can cover that offline. In puzzle 2, let's read the instruction first. Help the harvester pick the piece of corn. Okay. First of all, we need to count the distance, that's blocks. So the distance between the harvester and the corn is 1 and 2 and 3 blocks. 3 blocks. Now which side we need to decide. So it is right side, that's east. So we are going to pull 3 east blocks. Now here we just don't need to reach there. We have to pick corn as well. So there is a new block called pick. So we need to pull that as well. So she'll move 3 steps and then she'll pick. Now let's run it. You can always use step button to see how it is working. Okay, let's continue to puzzle 3. In puzzle 3, use 3 west blocks to get the harvester to the corn. So it is already given that how many steps we need to move and on which side. So let's pull this block 3 times. 1. Now, as I mentioned previously, we need to add pick block as well. So after 3 west blocks, she will reach there and pick the corn. Let's run it. Let's continue to puzzle 4. For puzzle 4, let's read the instruction. Use 3 north blocks to get the harvester to the corn. Don't forget to pick the corn at the end. So instructions are very clear and it's very easy. Let's pull 3 blocks, north blocks. And lastly, don't forget to pick the corn at the end. So we need to put pick block. Now let's run it. Okay, let's continue to puzzle 5. Actually, puzzle 5 is a video and this is a video about debugging with the step button. I have already covered this in second video. So I'll continue to puzzle 6. Instructions are add 1 block to help the harvester pick the corn. So first we need to count and then we need to check which block is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 times east is blocks are already there. So we just need to put 1 block, that is pick block. Now let's run it. Let's continue to puzzle 7. Instructions. Can you figure out what is wrong with this code? Help the harvester pick the corn. So we need to count the steps we need to take and analyze the code already written here. Okay. So 1 and 2 steps are required to reach to the corn and to pick 1 pick block is required. So total 3 blocks are required. But here you can see there are 4 blocks. And which side she needs to move? That is west side. So this block, north block, is extra. So we just need to delete it and rejoin this here. So now I think we are good to go. Let's run it. Let's continue to puzzle 8. Try it yourself. This is quite simple. I am sure you can do this. So I am skipping this puzzle and I am moving to puzzle 9. Before moving to puzzle 9, I'll just tell you, you need to count the blocks from here to here and don't forget to put the block pick. You can also use repeat block as we learned in previous videos. Let's move to puzzle 9. Let's read the instructions. You have to move in 2 directions to get to the corn. Help the harvester pick the right direction. So here, till now all the puzzles are either left, right or north. But in this puzzle, it's a L shape. So first, she'll go 2 blocks east and then 1 block south or north, south. And lastly, don't forget to put the pick block. Okay, so here let's see what's in code already given. East, east and north. So I think we need to move this and instead of north, we need to put south. So first she'll move here, then here 2 times east and then 1 time south and then pick the corn. Easy? Let's run it. Let's continue to puzzle 10. Now the harvester needs to pick corn 2 times. Can you see there are 2 corns? So once harvester reach here, you need to put pick block and again move here and again put the pick block. Let's start counting 1, 2 and 3. So to reach the first corn, 3 steps east. You can use repeat block. I am not using it right now. 3 times east and then pick. Again she needs to move 1 more step east and then again pick the corn. Okay, let's run it. Let's continue to puzzle 11. Let's read the instruction. Add 2 blocks to finish this puzzle. Here you can use this step button to identify the problem or what blocks you need to add. But it is best practice to think first and then act. So first I'll just walk through this code. First she'll move east, then pick. Again she move east and pick. Now after reaching here, she needs to go down. Down is south. And there is third corn. So we need to put pick. So we have added these 2 blocks to finish this puzzle. Now let's run it. Let's continue to puzzle 12. Puzzle 12 is a challenge. Let's do it. Instructions. The harvester needs to pick all the corn. Do you see a pattern? Let's check the pattern. harvester we will move here, that is one block east, then north one block, again east one block and north one block. So there is a pattern, and we can use repeat block as well, but I am not using it right now. Let's do it. One block east, pick, north and pick, again east and pick, and then north and pick. That's it. Let's run it. You can debug using step button as well. Let's continue to puzzle 13. Thank you for helping me. Pick all the corn. This seems an easy puzzle to me, so I am skipping it for now. You can do it. I am sure you will be able to finish this. Let's move to puzzle 14. Try it by yourself. Pick all the corn. This one is also easy. I'll just guide you here. She needs to move one block south, then pick another block south and pick, and then west and pick. That's it. So it is also quite easy. I am moving to puzzle 15 now. Help the harvester pick corn. So here you can select the way you want to go. What I will do is I'll move 2 steps east, pick the corn, and then south, pick, south, pick, south and pick. You can use repeat block. I will also try with repeat block this time. First, we'll put 2 times east and 1 pick. Then I'll take repeat block. 1, 2, 3. 3, okay. And then I'll put south and pick. I think this code is sufficient to finish this. Let's run. I think we have finished all the puzzles. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Please finish all the puzzles. Don't forget to use pick block. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Thank you for watching.